Hello everybody, it's me, Blake Strains and More, back with another video. And today we're going to be doing something I have not done in a while. Model train unboxing. As you can see, we got a Walthers mystery box. This is just the bronze one, the cheapest one that they had, because, yeah, whatever. I'll get the gold one at some point, but right now this is all I wanted, so I'm going to get this unboxed off camera, because I don't have a tripod with me. And I have to find something to get the box open, but then we're going to start going through it and see what we got. Alright, here it is, unboxed. Now let's just start going through it. So first we have bubble wrap. Not that important. Ooh, already I see some goodies. So, starting off, we have some nice Scene Master trailers. Looks like they're Louisville and Nashville cars. Those are going to be cool. Looks like they actually got some detail kits too. Nice, pretty cool. We'll set that on this very large box. Don't ask any questions. Then we got a nice Scene Master fishing boat, molded in 4 colors plus clear, so actually decent amount of customization. I'll just put that there. Next we got let's just do this. So next we have a Walthers Proto Canadian National Bulkhead Flat. Awesome model, looks cool. Never seen that blue font before. Pretty cool. Next, we have Walthers mainline trailer car. Flat car. It might be, hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's that. 85 footer. Dang, that's a long car. Yes, cat. Trains. Let's see. Got a Walthers mainline GNTX gondola. Looks like another, let's see. Ooh, 68 foot. That's pretty long. Next, we have water tower. This is going to be nice when I get my layout built eventually. I mean, this is a layout, but if I get my own place, I'm definitely going to make a real layout. Next, we have a single intermodal container. Looks like a 53 footer, judging by the extension on the end. Never seen this one before, so that's going to be cool. Put that with the other ones. Got some nice riprap rocks. Those would be cool to use on the layout at some point. Put that with the tower. Let's see, we have, ooh, almost dropped it. Ooh, nice DM&IR caboose. That looks sweet. Don't have any DMI locomotives or freight cars, but caboose is still cool. Cat, you're gonna need to scooch. Oh, he's mad. He ain't scooching. And finally, we got another bulkhead flat. This one being a BC rail car. Yeah. Pretty solid. And the biggest thing. Open your transload building. Oh yeah, that's going to be cool to have. I've wanted to have a transload facility, because you can basically ship almost anything in one, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And this is everything in the bronze box. Cat, why are you so angry? Alright, and here's everything we got. So we got 85 foot flatbed, might be for these 2 trailers, maybe, I'm not sure. Got a gondola, got 2 bulkhead flats, boat, intermodal container, only 1, which is fine. Some flexi vans, DM&IR caboose, giant transload facility, that's gonna be fun to build, rip wrap, and city water tower. And just, yep, box is empty. And now I have more stuff to go with my Walthers UP refrigerator cars, which I really like these. For being mainline, they still got a decent amount of detail. They're not even like proto, they're just mainline. But they're great. They have, they roll great. They have great detail. The paint looks good. They're just solid cars. And I was like, you know what? I need more Walthers stuff. Now, hopefully, this should make me consider buying more Walthers stuff. Because, yeah, this stuff looks super cool. Why don't I all put this stuff on the display track and see how it looks together. Alright. Got all the stuff set up on the layout. Here's how it looks out of the box. Got the TTX flat car, TTX railgun, BC rail bulkhead, Canadian National bulkhead, and of course the DMR caboose. I think this stuff is going to go great. I love this modern stuff. This is going to go great for my UP stuff and my ST70As, GEVOs, ES44s, ST70Ms, all my modern stuff. I have more modern stuff to go with it. Technically these two, I mean, not really modern, but yeah, I don't know when it says they were built. Built 275. Okay, so that's modern enough for me. But yeah, I'd say this is well worth it, and this is going to go great when I get a layout built, whenever that happens. But for now, this is Blake Trains and More signing off. I will see you guys later.